Good morning, children. Myself, Hemalata. So, I will teach social studies for you, and I have 4 years experience. Okay, children. Shall we start the class? Okay.
Which class has to be?
So I am taking the 6th class from 6th class, and the lesson name is the globe, a model of the Earth. As we know that Earth is the third planet in our solar system, right? There are 7 planets. Okay, there are 8 planets in our solar system. In that, Earth is the third planet. So, how we can study about the Earth? We cannot see the Earth as a whole. It is a very, very big. So, that's why we cannot study about the Earth. We cannot see the whole. So that's why we take the model. Okay. So what is that model? Globe. Okay, children. So globe is called the model of the Earth. Okay. Through the globe, we can study about the Earth. Yes. We can know. Okay. We can study the shape of the Earth. Okay, children, and also we can also study about the continents, oceans, many. Okay, again continents are divided into countries. Okay, children, and we know that Earth is 70% is water and 30% is land. Okay, children. These 30% land is divided into again continents divided into countries. Okay, and are many all hills, mountains, many. Okay, all land forms also comes under this 30% of land. Okay, children. So I have told you that 30% is land is divided into continents. I said, no, children. Okay, so what are continents, children? These are the large land masses. Okay, so we have how many continents, children? 7 continents. Okay, Asia, Europe, Australia, Africa, North America, South America. And one more, the last is Antarctica. Okay, children. So Asia is the largest. Okay, children. This is the largest continent, and the smallest is the Australia. Okay, this is the smallest continent, and this is the largest continent. Okay. Next, we'll talking about the 70% of water. Okay, so Earth contains contains more, children? Water. Okay, so say 70% is water is it is mainly formed oceans. Okay, so 70% is land means mostly these oceans. Okay. So oceans, what are the oceans, children? These are the very large water bodies. Okay, most of the Earth's surface, these are the Earth's surface is filled with oceans. Okay. So oceans are the very, very large water bodies, and children, we have mainly 5 oceans. What are they, children? Let us see. First is the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic. Okay, children? Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. So Antarctic Ocean is also called the children Southern Ocean. Okay, children, and also, okay, 70% of water is in the form of oceans, and also not only the oceans, and also lakes and other seas, okay, ponds, many. Okay, these but oceans are the very large water bodies compared to other. Okay, children. Next we'll go. Okay, go to the directions. Smallest చెప్పలే కదా.
Oceans the smallest.
Yeah. So in the oceans, the largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. Okay, children, Pacific Ocean is the largest, and the smallest is the Arctic. Okay. So it is the largest, it is the smallest ocean, and this Arctic Ocean is frozen. It is fully frozen, fully contain ice. Okay, children. And next we'll go to the directions on the globe. Children, in previous classes you learned directions, no children? What are the directions that? Yes, east, west, north, south. But here the directions, okay, when you face the globe, okay, when you face the globe, the topmost is a north, okay, and is a south, and our right is the east, and our left is the west. Okay, children, 4 directions, mainly 4 directions. Okay, and so there are also 2 poles here. Okay, this is the north pole, and here south pole. Okay, children, mainly this north pole and south pole, and here is a east, and this side west. Okay, next, okay, and there is also, children, okay, there is also a line which passes through the interior, okay, which passes through the interior of the earth, okay, which connects the north pole and south pole. Okay, children, so what is it is called, children? Axis. Axis hai kada? Yeah, okay, so this axis, it connects the north pole and south pole, and around which this line the earth rotates. So the earth rotates from west to east in this direction, children. Okay, so earth rotates from west to east, and there is a line, okay, it is called the axis. It connects the north pole and the south pole. Okay, this line passes through the interior of the earth, around which the earth rotates from west to east. Okay, children, next we learn the lines on the globe. Okay, children, if you observe the globe, okay, there are some lines, okay, Yes, children. Some lines which which are the parallel to which are parallel to the earth, and some lines which passes from north pole to south pole. These lines are called the latitudes and longitudes. Children, latitudes and longitudes. The lines which are parallel to the earth, these are the latitudes, and these children, these are the longitudes, which are drawn vertically, from north pole to south pole. Children, let us learn about deeply about the latitudes. Children. Children, lines. See, I am drawing here again for you. So, the lines which drawn parallel to the earth are called the latitudes. These lines. These latitudes and longitudes, it forms the grid. Children. So this grid help us to locate the places easily, on the globe. Children, mostly we use nowadays we are using the cell phones now, right? So nowadays we are using the cell phones to navigate any places. So how these through these latitudes and longitudes only. So let us see. Children, here latitudes. So latitudes, which the lines which are drawn parallel to the earth are called the latitudes. And there are totally 180 latitudes. First, children, this is this line, the line which drawn in the center. Now it is called the equator. The equator, it divides the earth into two parts. Children. So the top is the northern, So northern hemisphere. And next is the southern hemisphere. So the equator divides the earth into two parts. The top is the northern hemisphere and the south is the southern hemisphere. The equator is the largest among the all latitudes. So this the equator is also called the 0 degree latitude, and the line, and then the another important latitude is the Tropic of Cancer. And it is a 23.5 degree north latitude. And next important latitude name is the Arctic Circle. This is a 66.5 degree north latitude, and next is a 90 degrees north pole. This is called the North Pole. And next important latitude is the Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn, it is a 23.5 degree south. So all the northern latitudes are denoted by N, and all the southern latitudes are denoted by S. And the next is another important is the Antarctic Circle. This is a Antarctic circle, 66.5 degree south, and next is last is a 90 degrees south pole. Okay, these are only dots. Okay children. Okay, if you go see equator through the north pole, the size of the latitude is decreasing. Okay, so see, so we can know that, okay, these are the all latitudes are not equal. Okay, these are decreasing towards the poles. Okay, so totally in northern hemisphere 90 degree latitudes, in southern hemisphere again 90 degree latitudes. Total how many latitudes, children? 180. Okay, total 180 degree latitudes. Okay, and next we'll go to the longitudes. So longitudes. So longitudes are the lines which drawn from north pole to south pole. Okay, and there is a line, okay, it is called the 0 degree longitude. Okay, it is also called the prime meridian. It is also called the prime meridian. Prime meridian or Greenwich line. It is also called the Greenwich line. So longitude, children. Okay, 0 degree longitude. Okay, it is also called, it is Greenwich line, and it's also called the prime meridian. It divides the earth into two hemisphere, and this is the eastern hemisphere and this is a western hemisphere. Okay, so see, there is also the longitudes. Okay, so exactly 0 degree longitude opposite, there is a 180 degree east and west longitude. Okay children, exactly 0 degree opposite, it is a 180 degree east and west longitude. Totally we have 180 degree in the eastern hemisphere and 180 degree in the western hemisphere. Total how many longitudes we have? 360. Okay, 360 longitudes. Okay, so in the eastern part it is a, okay, in the eastern part 180, in the western part 180. Total we have 360, but this 180 is only having. Okay, okay children. Okay, so in okay 180 degree east and western longitude ఒకటే ఉంటుంది రెండిటికి కలిపి. ఓకే, ఈస్ట్ లాంగిట్యూడ్ కి వెస్ట్ లాంగిట్యూడ్ కలిపి ఒకటే ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో దాని ఓకే ఏమంటారు, 180 degree east and west longitude. Okay, so they both these, okay, latitudes and longitudes help us to locate the places easily, and longitudes also, okay, mainly it help us to also locate the time. Okay, mainly it is a, okay, tell us about the time also. Okay, later we'll discuss about the how to use these all. Okay children,
Telugu also.
Okay, okay చెప్పాలా? ఓకే children, ఓకే, మనం లాటిట్యూడ్స్ అంటే ఓకే ఇక్కడ ఇవి, సో భూమికి అడ్డంగా అంటారు. ఓకే, ఇలా ప్యారలల్గా ఉన్న వాటిని ఏమంటారు, మనం లాటిట్యూడ్స్ అంటాము, అక్షాంశాలు అంటారు తెలుగులో. ఓకే, సో ఈ 0 degree ఈక్వేటర్ అనేది 2 భాగాలుగా, ఓకే, విభజిస్తుంది అనమాట ఎర్త్ని. ఓకే, ఇది ఓకే నార్థన్ హెమిస్ఫియర్ అంటారు, దీన్ని సదరన్ హెమిస్ఫియర్ అంటారు. అందులో మళ్ళీ వచ్చేసి ఓకే, మళ్ళీ మనకి నార్థన్ హెమిస్ఫియర్లో 90 degree లాటిట్యూడ్స్ ఉంటాయి, మళ్ళీ సదరన్ హెమిస్ఫియర్లో 90 లాటిట్యూడ్స్ ఉంటాయి. టోటల్గా మనకి 180 degree లాటిట్యూడ్స్ ఉంటాయి. అందులో ఇంపార్టెంట్ వచ్చేసి ట్రాపిక్ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వేటర్, ట్రాపిక్ ఆఫ్ క్యాన్సర్, ఆర్కిటిక్ సర్కిల్, నార్త్ పోల్ ఇన్ ద నార్థన్ హెమిస్ఫియర్. ఓకే, మళ్ళీ వచ్చేసి ఈక్వేటర్, ఓకే, ట్రాపిక్ ఆఫ్ క్యాప్రికాన్, ఓకే, అంటార్టిక్ సర్కిల్ 90 degree, ఓకే, ఇవన్నీ సదరన్ హెమిస్ఫియర్. ఓకే, ఇవి ఇందులో ఉంటాయి. టోటల్గా మనకు 180 ఉంటాయి. సో లాంగిట్యూడ్స్ వచ్చేసి టోటల్గా ఓకే ఈస్టర్న్ హెమిస్ఫియర్లో 180 ఉంటాయి, వెస్టర్న్ హెమిస్ఫియర్లో 180 ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, టోటల్గా మనకు 360 లాంగిట్యూడ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, 0 డిగ్రీ ఇది అనేది ఓకే ఈ లాంగిట్యూడ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో దీన్ని ఏమంటారు ఇంకా గ్రీన్విచ్ లైన్. ఓకే, ఇంకా ఏమంటారు దీన్ని ప్రైమ్ మెరీడియన్ అని కూడా అంటారు. ఓకే, సో ఇదేం చేస్తుంది 0 డిగ్రీ లాంగిట్యూడ్ని ఎర్త్ని 2 పార్ట్స్గా డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇదేమో ఈస్టర్న్ హెమిస్ఫియర్ అంటారు, దీనేమో వెస్టర్న్ హెమిస్ఫియర్ అంటారు. ఓకేనా, సో ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 0 డిగ్రీ లాంగిట్యూడ్కి ఆపోజిట్గా ఏముంటుంది మనకి 180 డిగ్రీ ఈస్ట్ అండ్ వెస్ట్ లాంగిట్యూడ్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.